don't know what to tell you, people here. This has been difficult for me from day one. I have been wanting to tell you about this, but the family and close friends said I should hold on. Everything was going to be fine. I recorded several videos that I wanted to share with you, the fans. But the family said I should hold on, I should hold on. Now I don't know what to even tell you. We've been battling this for the past 3 months or so now. The family and close friends who are closer to him, I mean LAZZYBWOY, knew about this. We've tried this both physically and spiritually. We've tried. We've tried. The bad news is that your own artist, LAZZYBWOY, is no more. LAZZYBWOY is dead. How do I explain this to you? How do I start and tell you all that transpired? How do I tell this big family of LAZZYBWOY that he is no more? How do I explain that to you? Where do I start from? I don't know where to even start from. I kept on believing in God that everything will be fine. I kept on hoping that things will be fine. LAZZYBWOY was diagnosed of kidney failure. He's been diagnosed of kidney failure. The whole thing started with something I can't just understand. I don't just get it. I don't get it. It ended that it is kidney failure, and so they have to do dialysis for him. Dialysis upon dialysis. I'm getting a lot of calls right now. I don't even know which one to pick and which one not to pick. My brother Ipak and all the other guys have been with Lazzy in the hospital and so many other places, all in the name of getting him back on his feet. But this evening, today, Friday, as I'm speaking to you, today, 13th December, it's a bad day for me and for us as a family. LAZZYBWOY, why? Just a few years, I lost Pasi. I lost Pasi. And now, LAZZYBWOY, how do I explain? Why? Why have these guys, what have these guys done? What have they done wrong? What have they done wrong? Is it that the little name they want to make for Mpakmando, this is their reward? What have they done? What has LAZZYBWOY done? What has he done to somebody? I can't pay calls anymore. Please, stop calling me. Concombers. Why? What is going on? What is the problem at all? So we can't get someone who will also go far in this life. We can't get one person that will go far in this life. Why? Why? What is it at all that we want in this world? This is the news. I don't know what to say. My people, I don't know. I'm short of words.
Kaman how? Wula Kenya Vinya Adanka Yetum La 247.